this table is given now, and so this we are not interested in having what are the values and what is the product. We have given the output value. So remember, whenever there is 1 at the output, we have to consider that only. So I am writing here a bar, because this is 0, b bar and c. Again, this is not, there is not 0, and in this term there is 0, there is 1. So I will write a, b bar and c. Also this one, this is a110, so I will write a, b and c bar, a, b and c bar. Here also 0. So the other terms are only 3 terms. So I will write the Karnaugh map for these fundamental equations. So here how much, this is 3 variable table. So this is a, sorry, this is a b, a bar, b bar, a bar b, a into b, a, b bar, now c into c dash, c bar into c. And remember, this c bar into c, I can have the we have to plot, we have to fill up this table. So here I will write m1. So I am just writing 0 and 1. I am just writing 0 and 1. So if suppose we are having this fundamental term, which one? This one. So a bar, b bar into c. Here a bar, b bar and c. So we can write 1 here. Okay. Now remember, for those fundamental products, output is 1, and we can write 1 for that. That is digit 1 for that. So 1 here. A, b bar, we can see here 1, sorry, a, and then b bar here, and c. So over here, so 1 is there. Again 1 is present at this output. I will write a, b bar, a, b and c bar. So a, b, this a, b and c bar, so here. So all other are 0, all others are 0. So just this is the a simple way of finding or writing the Karnaugh map for we have 3 variables. So another example is there. In this example we have to we have given the equation, SOAP equation, and from that SOAP equation we have to find out KMF, and therefore we have construct the KMF for following SOAP equation. So equation is like this: y is equal to a, b, c, d. I am writing just a, b, c, d here, a, b, c, d plus a, b, c, d plus a, b, c, d. This is given, this is an example. So bars here, over here, and a, b, c, d. Thereafter this is a bar, b bar and c bar, here b bar only, and plus a, b, c, d and b bar and c bar. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so this is the given SOAP equation, and we have to write the Karnaugh map for that. So this is simple way. this is 4 variables, 4 variable K map. So I will draw this table in this way. 3, 4. So A bar, B bar here, A bar B, AB and A B bar, C C bar D bar, C bar D, C D, C D bar. So I will find out these values A bar B bar, here A bar B bar and C bar D bar. So I will put here 1. Again A B, here A B and C D. So A B and C D. So I will write 1 over here. A bar B bar C bar into D. So A bar B bar is this and C bar into D bar, C bar into D. So this is 1 here. Again we have this equation A B bar, A B bar and C D. So C D is there. So 1 is here and A B bar C bar. A B bar is here and C bar D. So C bar D. Yes. So here. So others are being 0. So I will write like this. So this is the corner map for the given SOP equation. Okay. So I will have next terms another example. Okay. We can have the various laws of grouping of these core fundamental products. So we will see in the next lecture.